Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
About time, yo. Behind the scene is rough.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
It looks good, right? We got Indian food because today what, First Lady?
Fast Food Friday.
First Lady, you gonna have to tell them what you having now because I can't pronounce none of this. But it looks so delicious
And
though.
it smells so good. So this is our first time ever having Indian food.
Yes.
We don't have a backup plan, but from what we see, we don't need one.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So as you guys know, it's Fast Food Friday. I don't do an outfit of the day. So I'm going to tell you what we have. We have chicken biryani.
Yes.
We have butter masala.
Yeah.
We have Kobe, okay? And then we have garlic naan.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is the garlic naan.
Yes.
This is the what do you call it again? Chicken biryani. And this is the Kobe and this is the butter chicken. And it comes with
Some sauce. What kind of sauce?
no, what kind of rice? Basmati rice.
Basmati rice.
Yes. You ready to taste it?
Of
And
course.
then we have the white sauce.
I'm excited because this isn't my style of food.
Which one you gonna try first, honey?
It doesn't matter. I'm closest to the first one.
Me too.
Take it first, bite. Ladies first. We ain't got no backup. Honest review. All right, First Lady. All right. If y'all know First Lady,
Ooh,
y'all will see.
that's spicy.
Watch out. You know the first bite my tongue again?
But
Yeah.
I think
wow,
he
that
gave
is
us.
spicy.
It's good. Really good.
Yeah. That's a go, fam.
But I think that he gave us
What?
It
The
says
wrong-
butter. It says butter. I wanted butter chicken. He gave us butter masala. Cause masala is red.
Oh.
The butter chicken must be like a different color.
Okay.
Based on my research, guys.
It looks fine to me, First Lady.
But it's okay.
Give one of those
It was a
things.
good mistake because it tastes good.
Y'all can see that?
Ooh.
They see it? I don't think they see it. But it's alright. They see it. It looks good. It tastes good though. It's spicy though.
I'm gonna taste the sauce. So let me try, honey. You gonna say you love sauce. But you gotta try it first if you like it.
I'll try it first. This sauce looks like it go for this bread thing.
You can dip whatever you
That's what
want
I'm
to dip it. You're a food my youth.
Family.
The oh, this is really good. This rice, have you tried that yet? It's really good.
No, I'm gonna get it right, girl.
We got everything spicy. But you guys know we love spicy.
Wow. Family. Family. This is a go. We ain't fronting. And this is like, listen, you know what's funny? Family. We've been living here so long. It's always, this ever happened to y'all? You always pass a spot, but y'all don't pay attention till it's time to eat it.
Yes.
So, yeah, this spot been here forever since we been living here. And me and First Lady was about to go to a different town to go buy it, so we Googled, I said, First Lady, you know there's a spot right on the block?
Oh my mind. Oh my mind.
He said, really? That's delicious, huh?
And that's cauliflower.
Where?
This.
Get out of here.
Yes.
This right here?
Yes.
This cauliflower that with chicken, no?
It's cauliflower.
It is. Show them when you move. Buy them, show them. I thought it was chicken.
No.
It is cauliflower, yeah.
Cauliflower. It doesn't taste like
It
cauliflower.
doesn't. I thought it was chicken. Wipe me down.
This is what vegetarians be eating.
Wow.
Family.
This is spicy though.
This is delicious. It's crunchy on the outside. But you know what? Everything is spicy.
Everything's spicy. So we like it.
They don't play with their spice though. But they did ask us if we wanted spicy or mild, so that's good.
Wow. You open the juice already?
The family said I drink too much. And the naan is really good.
It is. It's like a pita bread.
Yeah. I probably should have got a water.
You want to get water? Wow.
So, from what I can look at, it looks like the chicken biryani is like an Indian form of fried rice.
Fried rice, yeah. Yeah. Wow. This is a go. Huh. This is a go.
It's really good.
Later on, 6 o'clock, we're gonna talk more about this meal. This is delicious. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you guys
Yep.
for saying
To try
Indian food.
Indian food. So we tried it. You know something like that?
What about the naan? You like it?
I told you I need my phone already. It's just a wild word. I told you come like the pita bread. This is my type of food. Rice, family. Something like that. The first one we ordering, that's the first lady. So where's the rice? The man said, it comes with rice. I said, okay, good. I was worried.
My favorite.
Oh, cauliflower?
I think it's the crispiness. But you gotta be careful because everything is spicy. So it'll start to taste like one thing, just spice, but not this. You taste the flavor in each meal.
Sure does. This is good.
Good choice, guys.
Good choice, family. Thank you.
And that restaurant was packed.
It was packed in there. I thought it was a club.
People was coming in and out, in and out, in and out.
And we passed it all the time. And you went to a party right next to it before.
Yeah. We was getting down.
Getting down.
But I like the customer service. And when we got it home,
Food still hot.
everything was still hot.
Yep.
I don't know how they put it like in a hot bag, but everything was still hot.
Damn. That's good. Damn. And they give you a lot of food too.
As you can see.
A lot of food. That's what's up. Yep. So again, you know we're gonna say that if you do have Indian restaurant, go check it out. It's good. Like trying different cultures. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta find some more.
I'll find some more.
But that Indian one was just sitting there.
We're just sitting here.
So imagine what
around
other.
here.
Yeah, man.
This cauliflower is sweet, right? Nice,
But it's
crunchy
spicy.
and spicy. Wow.
That's my favorite, the cauliflower. Everything is good, but that cauliflower is hitting.
I like everything.
What I noticed about Indian food, it's very colorful. Very, very
They put
colorful.
that curry is strong.
I'm laughing because in India, they burn their curry. I burn my curry too. But they burn it.
They burn their joint.
Because that's what the flavor is. You know?
Yo,
Spicy, man.
spicy, but it's good. Good spice. So if you like the spice,
If you don't like spice,
go get it mild.
get it mild, get it regular.
Get regular.
And then,
Yeah.
like, it's hot.
I make it way for this. Like this is hot. Okay. But it's good though. I'm not even lying, B.
Everybody at B.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
I don't have a favorite. I like all of it. I don't have a favorite. I like everything that's here. Everything. See, we ain't coming to back up like that. We know we gonna like it.
Yeah, because what's not to like, honestly?
Look, see, this is curry. Look,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, it's curry.
So they curry it first and then they mix it up?
Yeah. Like curry. Wow. Honest review. It's good.
We love it.
We love
We're
it.
still doing a thumbnail. Too late now. Question, guys. When you guys go to Indian restaurants, what do you guys order?
Yeah.
Because we want to try something the next time we go get Indian food,
Yeah,
because there will be a next time.
Mm-hmm.
What's something else that we should order?
Yeah, for real.
We tried 3 things.
4?
3 things plus the naan.
Oh, okay.
And the garlic naan is good.
It's nice.
The white sauce, you like it?
Yeah, it tastes like sauce you put on like
Gyro.
gyro.
That's what I figured.
First lady,
It's my love.
this is a go. Did we ask them how they doing? Oh my god. When you try something new, you just get lost in heaven.
Honey, the family member's gonna say you full of experience enough.
How y'all doing though? No, because we had to talk about the food.
For real, we
Gotta get the honest review, you know?
first time
Y'all
ever.
yeah.
Man.
Yeah. They say they're doing good now since I asked. But sorry about that, fam. You know it happens sometimes, you know? Get lost in the moment. But yo, we ain't gonna lie. I did, but this shocked me. This cauliflower right here shocked me. I thought it was chicken and all. If you ain't was cauliflower, I wanna know. I'm buying a small one. You can see it.
That's how
Oh. And you told them they also have the vegetarian, the veggies one too? The non-meats?
they have like 2 pages dedicated to vegetarian.
Yeah. Oh. Are vegetarian out here? Wow.
But I think in India, they eat a lot of vegetable.
Yeah?
They really do.
You want one napkin?
So that's why it's easy for them. But if you season vegetable like this, yeah, kids will eat it for real.
Yeah. There you go. A lot of food too. Hold that thought. Yeah. Yeah, I think I forgot. Pastor Rich session right now. First lady, continue eating, okay?
You ain't gonna stop me.
Family. Listen up to me. Damn, that food tastes good. Wow. Cool it down.
See?
Food tastes nice like first lady. See? Cauliflower, see it?
Cauliflower. See?
See? And the cauliflower, fried cauliflower with seasoning. All right, family. Always stay true to yourself because there are very few people who will always be true to you. Family, you heard what I said. Always stay true to yourself because there are very few people who will always be true to you. We witnessed that and we've been through that.
Yeah.
And if you could relate to that, holla at the greedy couple, you know?
What's going on, my love?
That was a good one, right? I got so many. Today I was sitting on the bed just looking at them. I wish I could eat them 5 a day. 5 a day will take the pain away.
Whoa.
Just chill out.
So y'all going?
Dr. Rich in the building.
Oh my. My gosh. Pastor Richie, now you're a doctor?
I got the antidote. What is the antidote? I got the antidote. Yeah. And first lady sugar, aka I said that first lady sugar. All right.
Mine.
First lady.
Very territorial.
First lady.
Very.
You ate a lot of food. She ate a lot of food today? Yeah, tell me because I don't know. I was just busy eating. Nice, man. This is good. And one thing I like with restaurant, if y'all watch, I complain a lot about it. I love a lot of rice. I love when they give a lot of food. It makes me want to go back. You know what I'm saying?
I think it's tradition in India to eat with your hands. They they have different.
Make sure you say the wrong thing, you know. That make me come out for you. Yeah, we already see that already.
No, but I think so.
I don't know.
Eat with your hands. And they have a lot of little dishes.
Yeah.
And they
I want to
put
visit
it
there.
together. Yeah. I want to go to see the Taj Mahal.
Definitely want to go there. When you travel. This is good. Family, this is good. I ain't gonna lie. This is good. You want the pita bread?
None.
This is good.
Excuse me, guys. My cauliflower in there.
If you haven't tried it, go check out your local Indian restaurant if you have it in your town. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you again for letting us know to try different culture. And we tried the Indian. Now we're gonna look for African restaurant. We're gonna try that. Right?
So we wrote it down.
Yeah, we wrote it down. Yeah, we wrote it down.
We had the last live.
Oh yeah, I wrote down the live, so we brought it to you on Fast Food Friday, you know? 6 o'clock. Don't be late or you won't participate. Huh? Excuse me.
Oh, it's so funny.
Yo. Yeah, I look healthy from the other day, lady.
You look healthy?
Yeah, man, you look healthy, man.
I know.
You look healthy, man. I see it, man.
You know, like.
Family. First day looking healthy from the other day. Coming like a snack. What's up?
I remember when I was little, when I used to live in the Bronx, on Jerome Avenue, and it was this building, and for some reason, a lot of Indian people lived there.
Yeah.
In that building, you walk in there, it smells so good. The food beat.
Yeah.
I'm like, why didn't I have? I should have made friends with one of them.
Yeah.
But
For real. Eat that good food. The food be smelling good.
yeah.
Yeah. Family. Let's try all the stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's all. If you don't like it, you don't like it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody likes different stuff.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So some people may not like Jamaican food. Some people not like Indian food. But everybody is different. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You try it, you don't like it, that's it. Huh?
But you know, when you try something and you don't like it, people want to get mad.
Don't get mad. Honestly,
Why
why?
are you getting mad for?
Why? You don't like it, you don't
I
like it.
don't
That's
like
your
it.
true opinion. You know what I'm saying?
It is what it is.
It is what it is, though.
But
You know what I mean? But
like I said, no one's gonna stop me from doing what I want to do.
true.
No one's gonna stop us from doing what we want to do.
I don't like it. I'm being honest. We being honest. I don't like it. That's not for us. But
But this is good.
this is delicious.
I'm full.
Really, that.
This is a lot of food.
It's a lot of food. That's what I'm telling them. They don't believe me. It's a lot of food.
Well, they saw it. So it filled the whole container.
Make sure they see because I'm telling you, it's delicious. We appreciate y'all. We shared our Indian food with y'all. Thank you for letting us know to go try it out. We did it.
Oh, there's more
So now
cauliflower?
y'all go do it if y'all never did it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, but listen, if you reach this far and you're new, you gotta just subscribe. It's free. You know what I'm saying? We are the greedy couple, and first of the day are who?
Oh, sorry, family. You guys are the greedy family. Okay? I'm sorry, guys. What's wrong with my teeth? We are the greedy couple. Greedy couple.
Yes, greedy couple. It's not
Okay.
hard.
We, I think it is. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
6 o'clock. Yo, don't do me outro no more yet. 6 o'clock.